kids! Look, it's your feathery friend, Mr. Quackers! I'm here to waddle my way into your hearts with some quacky facts, funny stories, and a few secrets about ducks that'll make you giggle. So, get comfy and let's dive into the wonderful world of ducks! Let me start with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that ducks have been around for more than 10 million years? That's right, we're ancient. Imagine dinosaurs roaming the earth while my ancestors were already waddling around ponds. I bet we were the trendsetters of the prehistoric world. Now, about this waddle of mine. I know, it looks a little silly, but trust me, it's not just for laughs. Our webbed feet make us expert swimmers, but on land, not so much. Walking on land is like trying to dance with flippers on. Awkward, but totally worth it for the laughs. Speaking of our feet, did you know that ducks never get cold feet? Literally! Our feet have a special blood flow system that keeps them warm, even when we're standing on ice. So, while humans are busy shivering in their boots, we're just chilling, pun intended. And these eyes of mine, they're like super-powered cameras. Ducks can see in almost every direction without moving their heads. That means no sneaking up on us. We can spot a breadcrumb from miles away. Well, maybe not miles, but you get the idea. Now, let's talk about my wings. They might look small, but don't be fooled. Ducks are incredible flyers. Some of us migrate thousands of miles to escape the cold. It's like taking a super long road trip, except we're flapping our wings the entire time. Talk about a workout! Did you know that ducks can fly at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour? That's faster than a car driving through your neighborhood. Imagine looking up and seeing a duck zooming past like a feathered race car. Now, these feathers, oh, let me tell you, they're something special. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Yes, you heard that right! Here's a funny thought. If humans had waterproof hair, imagine how much time they'd save drying off after a swim. You'd all look like ducks! Ponds are our favorite hangout spots. But did you know that ducks are expert navigators? Some ducks migrate thousands of miles every year to find warmer places. It's like having a built-in GPS. No maps, no smartphones, just instinct and the stars to guide us. Pretty cool, right? Well, kids, that's all for today's quacktastic adventure. Remember, ducks aren't just cute and funny. We're full of surprises. So, the next time you see a duck, give us a little wave. And if you have some breadcrumbs, share the love, but not too much, okay? We've got to watch our feathered figures. Until next time, keep smiling, keep waddling, and remember to stay curious. Quack you later!